Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a box of Topps Archives, and we are going to break it. I saw Beckett doing this, and it looked pretty cool. So I do not believe any of the 13 rookies are in here. It looks like it's all the 2012 rookies and stuff like that. But yeah, it's Topps Archives. So we'll get some old guys out of here too, which is cool. Come on, dude. There we go. And as always, it's not an Indianapolis Colt. It is probably for trade or for sale. You guys just drop me a line, let me know which ones you want, and we'll see what we can do. As always, I trade straight across book value, and I sell it for a little bit less than book value. So, you know, like this list up here, you can see it. If it's $100, that's what I trade for. I'll sell it for $75, and you know. So anyway, but let's get her going. So we got Sidney Rice, Roger Staubach, Hakeem Nicks, Joe Montana. I like this one. This one's nice. Fred Jackson, Terry Bradshaw, Dontari Poe, and Matt Schaub. All right. Dez Bryant, Sam Bradford, Alshon Jeffrey, Andre Johnson, Calvin Johnson Jr., Donta Hightower, Jamal Charles, and Tom Brady. Got a Jim Kelly, Len Dawson for the Chiefs, Jake Locker, Patrick Willis, Alfred Morris, Dan Fouts, Michael Assure, and the mini is a Ruben Randall blank back. It just says MRR on it. I'm not sure exactly what's up with that, but hey. I guess there are autographs and stuff in here, but the odds of finding them are 1 in a bazillion. Bazillion is a proper word, right? Aaron Hernandez, Stephen Ridley, Steve Young, Joe Namath, Steve Bartowski, Stephen Hill, Beanie Wells, and Aaron Hernandez. I don't think doesn't look like I got any memorabilia stuff, which is suckish, but hey. Jarius Wright, Michael Floyd, Ingram, Keem Nicks, Roddy White, Justin Blackman, Rob Gronkowski, and CJ Spiller. Hadn't pulled a Colt yet either. Come on, Indy. Hop up in here. Oh, there's something shiny. I know you guys see that and you're like, ooh. It's for Buffalo anyway. It's a Bills. Joe Montana. And those gold parallel, glossy, I don't know what those are. Anyway, Jennings, Brett Favre with the Vikings, TJ Graham, Anquan Bolden, Dez Bryant, Sam Bradford, and this is CJ Spiller. It's not numbered. It is just pretty cool and shiny. Chris Rainey, Dwayne Allen, there we go, there's an Indy Colt, Jonathan Stewart, Steve Johnson, Miles Austin, Isaac Redman, and Mike Wallace for the Steelers. Roger Staubach, Sidney Rice, Alshon Jeffrey, Eddie McCaffrey. I think this is a short print that set, and plus the fact that it's card 219. I think it is a short print. Aaron Rodgers, Drew Brees, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and Steve Smith. So anyway, that was short, sweet. Anyway, guys, have a good day. I've got 3 different breaks loading up on YouTube all at the same time, or they will be all at the same time. So check them all out. All right, thanks, guys. Take it easy. Bye.